Hello students, welcome to biology class. Students, today we are going to discuss organs of the excretory system. So this topic is from chapter 4 human body of class 7. So let's start this topic, that is organs of the excretory system. So you all know very well that during the process of digestion, many waste products are generated in the body. When the process of digestion takes place, lot of waste is generated. Now this waste, it is needed to be thrown out of the body. Why it is needed to be thrown out of the body? Because if this waste is accumulated inside the body, it becomes toxic and it may lead to death of an individual. So for the removal of this waste, our body is having different organs. Okay, like we have lungs, we have large intestine, we have urethra, we have skin, we have anus and many other organs which helps in the removal of waste products from the body. Now students, for removal of specific waste, our body is having specific organs. Now when I am talking about this specific waste, so you should know that the waste generated in the body, they are in three forms. One is the solid, gases, and third is liquid. So the waste generated are in the form of solid waste, gaseous waste, and third is the liquid waste. So whatever the category of the waste is, it is needed to be thrown out of the body. It should be excreted out of the body. Okay. So one by one we are going to discuss all these types. First is the solid waste. Now students, feces, it is the human waste, okay, and it is removed in the body by anus. So this anus, it plays a major role in removal of this solid waste, which is feces. Second, we talk about gaseous waste. So you know water vapors and carbon dioxide. Okay. So this water vapor and carbon dioxide, it is generated during the process of respiration. Then by the help of blood, they are taken to lungs, and in lungs, through alveoli, there is exchange in the gases, and this CO2 and water vapors, they are thrown out of the body through the nose. Okay, so gaseous waste, which is in the form of water vapor, okay, which is in the form of carbon dioxide, firstly with the help of blood they are carried to the lungs, and in lungs there is exchange, okay, there is exchange of gases, and through this alveoli it goes back to the nose, and through nose this gaseous waste, it comes out of the body. Now students, when we talk about the liquid waste is liquid. So this liquid waste is excreted or is thrown out of the body in the form of urine, and for this our urinary system is involved. So this urinary system, it helps in the removal of the liquid waste from the body. So the important thing here is to remember is that whatever the waste is produced in the body, that waste needed to be thrown out of the body. Okay, because if it is not thrown out of the body, it gets accumulated inside the body and it leads to various disorders, or it may even lead to the death.